this given right triangle na ang kanyang legs given ay 8 and 6. Then ang kanyang hypotenuse ay unknown, kunin ang value nitong hypotenuse. Ang formula ng Pythagorean theorem ay c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Yung 8 saka 6, so i-substitute natin, pwede sila magkapalit. Ito yung formula. So ang gagawin natin, instead of c squared, gawin natin siyang x squared kasi yung x ang unknown. Substitute lang natin. So yung ating a ay ilagay natin yung 8 square plus yung ating b, ilagay natin yung 6 square. Then ating simplify. Square, that is 64. Then plus 6 square, that is 36. Then add natin dalawa na to. Subtract the square roots, that is 100. The square root of 100, that is 10. Ito ang final answer.